Okay, so here's Algebra Fractions Part 4, and these are beauties. So these allow you to practice your quadratic factorisation. Okay, so we're going to go for E first. We're going to look at the numerator now. So the numerator is, I'll just highlight it in green, x squared minus 4. The denominator, x squared minus 3x minus 10. So you're just going to have some practice factorising both of those expressions. I'll do the top one first. This is actually x times x to give the x squared. This is 2 times 2 to give the 4. One's positive, one's negative. This is called the difference of two squares. It's x times x and 2 times 2, and it takes that particular shape. On the denominator, I mean, some of you enjoy splitting the middle term. I tend to only do that technique if it's more than 1x squared. Okay, so with 1x squared I go straight for x and x, and then two numbers that multiply to give negative 10. So the product is negative 10, and the sum of the two numbers is negative 3. But then we don't split the middle term, we just put them straight into here. Okay, it's just a little shortcut. So 5 times 2 is 10. The difference in 5 and 2 you can get 3, so I think it's negative 5 and positive 2. Okay, and when we do that, you can see that the common factor is x plus 2. So the answer is x minus 2 over x minus 5. And you know by now that we can't just cancel the x because the x is not a factor. The final answer is given there. Okay. The same now with this guy here. I'm going to do the denominator is this one. The numerator is this one here. And I'll do the denominator first. So the denominator, let's just write it out, x squared minus 2x minus 8. I'm going to go straight for a double bracket, x times x. To get the 8, it's 4 times 2. It could be 8 times 1. But I can see that to get negative 8, it's negative 4 times positive 2. And when you check that, that's x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. And these guys here combine, don't they, to give the negative 2x we need. Okay, so we've got the denominator sorted out. We'll just put a little highlight on it to know where it's gone. This is the denominator factorised. We'll put it together in a moment. And now the numerator, 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. Okay, factorising, we'll do 2 times negative 4 equals negative 8. Alright, so we need the product to be negative 8 and the sum to be negative 7. Okay, so two numbers multiplied to give negative 8, add to give negative 7. So I think is that negative 8 times positive 1. So this is where we split the middle term, 2x squared minus 8x plus 1x and then minus 4. So what we've done is we've rewritten the original quadratic and we've split that middle term into minus 8x plus 1x. And the reason we do that is we can now factorise pairwise here. Take out 2x as a common factor. This is x minus 4. And then plus 1, take 1 out as a factor, x minus 4. And then you can see that this is 2x plus 1 into x minus 4. Okay, so this is in fact the numerator now. And so when we put those together, we've got the numerator, we've got the denominator. Let's put the values in now. Okay, the numerator is 2x plus 1 times by x minus 4. The denominator is x plus 2 times by x minus 4. Cancel common factors. So the final answer is 2x plus 1 over x plus 2. No more factorising can be done, therefore no more simplification. Okay, there's 6 practice questions for you guys, and the ones that I need handed in on your Google Doc with full workings out are the ones highlighted in red. Okay, hope those videos help.